back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lauren Ashley, and today we will be getting into my everyday makeup routine, which is very beginner friendly. Also, before we get on into the video, please be sure to make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please be sure to follow all of my social media accounts. You can follow me on Instagram at the Lauren Ashley with 2 underscores, and you can also add or follow me on Facebook at Lauren Ashley. Also, I will be making a Twitter. Well, I have a Twitter, but I will be making it public for everybody to follow if they want to. And I also will be making a TikTok, so be on the lookout for that. So just be on the lookout. I have so many things planned before March is over, and I just wanted to go ahead and get it out and tell you guys before, I did it. So there will be more social media platforms for you to follow me on, but I won't hold you long. So let's get right into the video. Okay, you guys, so I already did a brow video separately, so I did my eyebrows off camera again because I have a brow video coming out very soon. So now we are going to take our concealer and we're going to set our eyes for the basic eyeshadow that we're going to do. I'm using the same concealer, the M.A.C 24 Hour concealer in the shade NC43. Now we're gonna go in with our buffing brush and we're gonna press that in to our lid. Now we're gonna set our eyes. We're gonna use the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop setting powder in the color medium. I'm gonna dump it in my top. Take some of it, throw some of it away, and just pat over the concealer where we placed it. Guys, after setting your concealer on your eyes and brushing the excess powder away, we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place Warrior palette, and we're gonna use this color right here. This is called Kano, and we're just gonna blend this up into our crease. I am using a Morphe X Jaclyn Hill brush. This is a JH30 fluffy brush, and just gonna blend. Oh, it's so warm. I loved it. Okay, you guys, we're also going to dip right back into that same color for our lid. We're just going to use a flat brush. This is a flat brush from BH Cosmetics. And we're going to place it all over our lid so it can be even. And I'm still using the color Kano. Next, we will be going in with the e.l.f. Matte Putty Primer. This is what it looks like. Place it. Okay, next we're gonna go in with our foundation. I'm using the M.A.C MatchMaster foundation in the color 6.0, and I'm just using a regular Real Techniques foundation brush. I'm sorry. Not doing extra full coverage today. Next, guys, we are going to go in with a little bit of concealer for our highlighted points of our face. I'm going to use the MAC 24-Hour Concealer in the color NC43. We're just going to place a fair amount. Now we're going to blend those concealed areas in. I'm using the Sonia Kasha Beauty Blender that I got from Target. It was between $6 to $12, I believe. On to contouring our face, I'm using the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette from light to medium. And I'm just going to use these shades, this shade right here for my jawline and these two shades for on top of my head. Next, I'm going to set my face with this setting spray by NYX. This is the Dewy Finish Setting Spray. And I'm just going to spray it all over my face and use a random makeup object to blend. Okay, you guys. So now I'm gonna go in with highlighter. This is the Juvia's Place highlighter. This is the Tribe highlighter volume 3. This is what it looks like. This is my favorite highlighter. This is probably one of the only highlighters that I use. And we're just gonna take a little bit of that. Okay guys, now I'm about to place my eyelashes. I just got these lashes from the beauty supply store. They're nothing special. Okay you guys, for our lip liner, we are going in with the NK lip liner. I just used the darkest one that I can find in the beauty supply store. These only cost $1 and this is my go-to. So I'm gonna do a classic brown lip liner, tan lip gloss look. Okay, next we are gonna go in with the NYX Butter Gloss. This is the shade Fortune Cookie. This is one of my favorite shades. And we're gonna place that right in the middle. And lastly, we're gonna go in with some regular beauty supply store lip gloss, clear. That is all I put on top of my gloss for the most part, other than glitter. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video was helpful and very detailed as far as a basic everyday makeup routine. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Also, be sure to make sure you follow all of my social media accounts. They will be linked in the description box below. However, I will tell you, follow me on Instagram at the Lauren Ashley with 2 underscores, and follow me or add me on Facebook at Lauren Ashley. Oh, and also make sure you turn on the post notification bell. Every time I post a video, you will be updated. And make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video.